Once you unpack all the metal components, you should see 12 male-to-male poles 1 meter or 3 feet long, 10 male-to-female 1 meter or 3 feet long poles. In addition, you will see 3 poles just over 2 feet long. These are used for the crossbars. You will be left with 2 sets of 4 poles. One set will have 1600 label and the other will have 2600 on it. There are, of course, corner pieces as well. You can start by laying out the corner pieces. Number 4 labeled corners are all 90-degree, 3-way corners and are places at the front of the enclosure, closer to the camera here. Number 5 corners have one side that is tilted higher than 90 degrees and are at the back of the enclosure. Next, take 2 1A poles and connect them. Then take a 2B pole and connect to the 1A poles you just connected. Take one of the 3 shorter poles and connect to the male end to create a 12-foot-long crossbar. Repeat this twice more. Next, take a 2B pole and connect one of the 4 shorter poles with the 1600 label on it. Repeat this 3 more times. Lay out 2 on right and left sides of the enclosure. Now you can start building the roof of the enclosure by connecting the corner pieces together as shown here. Then you can add the lower corners, which have small round feet at the bottom. 3-way feet go at the back of the enclosure, away from the camera here. Two-way feet connectors go at the front, near the camera here. Now it is time to raise the roof of the enclosure, so grab 4 2B poles and raise the enclosure by connecting these into each of the 4 corners. You will notice that the back legs are sticking out here. This is normal. It's time to bring the material part of the enclosure and start by attaching the Velcro to the back crossbar, away from the camera here. Continue by attaching the left and right sides and then the front crossbar. Once this is done, you can add the next level of height by connecting 1A poles to 2B at each corner. Start tightening the remaining Velcro in each corner. Finally, take the 4 remaining metal poles and raise the enclosure to its full height. Once that is done, you can insert the poles into their respective feet connectors. Finish by tightening all remaining Velcro around the enclosure. Tighten straps to achieve optimal look of the enclosure.